Hello students, how are you all? I hope you are perfectly fine and doing your studies at your home. Students, this is Saumitri Yadav, Assistant Teacher of Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, which is situated in Gola Bazar, Gorakhpur. Students, I am here with a new online video class in which we will discuss some exercise of chapter number 4. So, let's discuss. Question number first is identify whether these sentences are assertive, interrogative, imperative or exclamatory. Students, you have given 10 questions and you have to find out whether these sentences are assertive or interrogative or imperative or exclamatory. If the sentences are assertive, you will write A. If the sentence is interrogative, you will write IN. If the sentence is imperative, you will write IM. If the sentence is exclamatory, you will write E. So let's start. First question is, do not pollute the environment. Students, this is an advice. So this is imperative sentence. So we will write here I am. PERATIVE, imperative sentence. Students, you can write only a, in, im or e. Okay, you can also write. Question number second is, what can I do for you? This is an interrogative sentence, so we will write here I, N. Please wait for your turn. It is a request, so this is an imperative sentence. Okay, so we will write I am. Hyderabad is famous for its pearls. Students, this is a statement, so this is an assertive sentence. How wonderful the weather is. It represents our inner feelings, so this is an exclamatory sentence. So we will write here E. Leave the place at once. It is command, so we will write here I am. My maid lives in a small hut. It is statement, so we will write here a. How far is the airport from your house? Students, you can see there is question mark. Okay, question is asking in this sentence, so this is an interrogative sentence. So we will write here I n. I will not allow you to go out in this heat. So this is a negative statement, so we will write here a. Oh no, he missed the train again. This is our inner feeling. Okay, it expresses our strong feelings, so this is an imperative sentence. So we will write here I am. Now come to the next question. Rewrite these sentences by inserting appropriate punctuation marks. Students, first question is, who has broken this mirror? Students, while reading the chapter, I have told you that if there is question type of statement, we will put question mark at the end of the statement. Now second is, all that glitters is not gold. This is statement, so we will put here full stop. How beautiful the accident was. How dreadful the accident was. It represents our strong feelings, so we will put here exclamation symbol. Brilliant, you solved the puzzle. We will put here exclamation mark, then we will put here full stop. What a beautiful design she is making. We will put here exclamation mark. Will you please give me this book? Students, Question is asking, so we will put here interrogative mark. What a horrible sight it was. We will put here exclamation mark. What is the time by your watch? Question is asking in this question number 8, so we will put here question mark. Would you like to have tea or coffee? Students, question is asking, so we will put here question mark. How happily they dance. It represents our strong feelings. Okay, so we will put here exclamation mark. Now come to the next question. Change these declarative sentence into interrogative sentences. Students, we will do this exercise in a CW copy. Now come to the next exercise. Complete these sentences by adding a negative sentence after but. One has been done for you. Students, you have to add a negative sentence after but. Okay, one has been done for you. So first is, they have a lot of free time, but. Students, after but you have to add a negative sentence. So in the question of first, they do not go out anywhere. Okay, it is added after the but and it is a negative sentence. Now we have to do the same in these questions. Now let's start. I enjoy watching cricket, but I do not play cricket. Students, you can see I have added a negative sentence after but. Third is, Derek likes playing outside, but he does not like to play cricket. Third, Ruchi completed her homework, but she did not learn it. Tia has a swimming costumes, but she has not brought it. Nikhil is taking dance class. Nikhil is taking dance lessons, but he is not taking coaching classes. Okay, now seventh is, this car runs fast, but it is not less expensive. Rohan ordered his favorite dish, but the waiter had not brought it. This book is new, but the letters are not clear. We went to the market, but we did not purchase anything. So next question is, use each word to make a declarative sentence, an interrogative sentence, an imperative sentence, and an exclamatory sentence. One has been done for you. First is beautiful. By this word we have to make 4 sentences. Firstly, it is a beautiful day. This is declarative. Is it a beautiful day? It is interrogative. Please draw a beautiful picture. It is imperative sentence. What a beautiful day. It is an exclamatory sentence. Now we have to make all these 4 sentences which are given to the given words. We have no space, so we will do this exercise in a CW copy. Goodbye everyone.